Hey, this is kind of a catch-all video. I'm going to show you how to format cells and text in the cells within Excel. A lot of this stuff is similar to Word, but it's a little bit different at times. So, spreadsheets are nice when they look black and white, right? But sometimes you want to use a little color to bring your person, the person you're making this for's attention to something. So, the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is change the color of the cell. So, you probably know how to change the font text. It's that little A button right here. So I wanted to make this text red. I could click that. But what if I wanted to make this whole thing red? I'm going to go to the icon right next to it called Fill Color. It's a little paint can. I don't want yellow, so I'm going to hit the drop-down box. I'm going to choose nice deep red. Now it's kind of hard to see my text, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger. Let's do like good 20. I'm going to have to make my columns bigger. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you something else that's really good. Let's just say I'm done making my columns bigger, right? I just don't want to. Here's what you can do. You can either adjust the row, just like how I did earlier, so that it's broader, but what you really want to use is wrap text. So right above this merged is a little thing that says wrap text. If you hit that, that means that now when you make the cell bigger, the text is just going to wrap around. If I don't have that, it's just going to keep going off. But wrap the text, it makes all of your stuff go, all of your data go into this row by just making the row bigger. So I just changed my fill color, I made the text bigger, and then I wrapped my text. So I made the row bigger, then I hit wrap text, boom, now it's wrapped. I'm going to bold my text here too, just so it's a little easier to read, and maybe I'll make it white. Oh, so much better. Okay, so I just showed you a bunch of things, different things you can do. You can change the fill color, you can change the actual text like we do in Word, making it italics, making it bold, making it underlined, making it bigger, making it smaller. You can also choose what side it's on. It could be in the center, it could be in this side, it could be that side, etc., and wrap text is a big one. Those are the most important things you do with formatting. The last thing I want to tell you, usually column headers are bolded. So maybe think about doing that. It makes it a lot easier to tell, oh, this is the header, and then these are the countries. Just look at the difference. This versus this. So much better. Play around with all these different formattings. We're not going to get into the number in general, but you can mess around with that if you want. Good luck. Seriously, play around with all these little things. See what you can figure out too.